This project here is a 24-metre deep diaphragm wall basement that forms a car park underneath of a multi-storey building, very close to the sea in downtown Auckland. This interesting project, the problem that they have is that the D-wall anchors or the diaphragm wall anchors that are holding the wall out have had something go wrong during construction and they are leaking, letting water into the basement above the permissible flow rate. Lots of surprises pop up during projects like this, and here is one shown here. After 5 days of breaking out the concrete here due to water ingress, we have some sort of chemical entering which appears to be oil. We're currently investigating where this oil is coming from, what it is, and whether our repair materials, which are going to go in next, are compatible with this product. So this stuff's off to the labs for testing. This is a problem for any structure that's underground that has reinforcing in it, that the reinforcing itself will be corroding and will be getting weaker over time. There is durability requirements for all underground walls. This building will potentially fall foul of that durability requirement because of the water ingress. This is in early stages. We've only been in here for 3 weeks. We've developed a methodology of repairing the sleeve anchor head, which was uncovered to have no cover plate. We've welded on 400 by 400 steel cover plates to reduce the water coming up the grout sleeve, and now it's a bit of control the water entrance around that sleeve to enable the rebuilding of the concrete wall around the sleeve head. This is an anchor head after we've welded the steel plate onto the face. You can see we've broken out the concrete from around the reinforcing to make sure that the replacement concrete that is in there has something to key to and forms part of the existing structural wall and is not just plastered onto the top. This is ready for preparation coatings and keying coatings, and then after that we'll put the repair mortar in. At various times during the remediation of structures like this, you need to use low viscosity, high pressure urethane injection. This is what we're completing here around an anchor head, just to cut down the water flow that seems to be entering around the reinforcing bars, probably due to poor concrete confinement during the D-wall construction. This is a good method of just filling a void to allow further works to continue. It's not a permanent solution. When we complete one of these anchor heads, we date it to say the date that the compaction of the concrete was finished. This allows us to measure the cure time and the cure rates of this repair mortar. Then any further processes that need to happen, some back grouting or something, that we know that concrete will be cured sufficiently to hold any pressure that we are applying. One of the interesting things about projects like this is that it needs to be a no-blame arrangement. Nobody, from the designer to the constructor to the anchor guy, ever foresaw this issue occurring. It's just one of those things that happens in a deep basement that's under constant pressure, and the teams need to work together to get a basement like this completed and sorted. Sansom are immensely proud to be involved in fixing basements of this scale. It's a bit of a joke around the industry that when a basement gets bad enough or ugly enough that it's time to call the team at Sansom. We're proud to have helped out many of the deeper basements in Auckland get remediated and get serviceable for proper use.